In this video, I'm going to show you the way that you can create a Jio Hotstar account. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. JioStar is a unified video streaming service that combines content from both Disney Plus Hotstar and Disney's India streaming services. In order for you to create an account, you need to first of all download the application onto your phone, whether you're using the Play Store or the App Store, and then you can just tap open the application. Now, once you're inside of this application, the first thing you'll see is the option of changing in the language, or do tap on continue. If you want to change the language and change it to some other language other than English, you'll have the option. But for now, we're just gonna continue with English. Tap on continue. In the next screen is gonna again ask you your favorite languages. Here you'll have the option of selecting multiple languages. Based on that, you will get different recommendation of movies and TV series. So just select the languages that you like and then tap on continue. Once you select the language, you'll be taken to the home page where you'll be able to view a few other things. In order for you to create an account, just tap on the profile icon on the bottom right of the screen. From this login section, you'll have a button which says login. You can just tap on the login button. Now, in order for you to create an account, you'll need to type in your phone number and then enter in a code that will be sent to your phone number so that you can successfully create an account. Even if you are logging into your account, this is going to be the same process. So type in your phone number and then make sure you enter in the code that has been sent. Once you enter in the code, the last step is going to be to add in your name, your age, and your gender. Once you fill in these details, you can tap on create your profile. And as easy as that, your account of Jio Hotstar will be created. If this short guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.